Sahleen, it's your boy Muhammad from Crewz Nation, and we're with Abu Fahad, and we're gonna work on his 2019 Camaro SS. What are we doing to it? Her.
اليوم
Sorry.
عندنا طريقة تحضير كاربونارا الباستا.
That's a shout out to Elias. Nice catch. So,
Made in Korea. I don't think it's the genuine part, wallah.
well, we'll compare it to the other ones.
This one keeps falling.
All right. So that's the tie rod.
Yes.
Yes. So we're just changing one tie rod, and what else are we doing?
We are putting spacers. We're gonna space the space people. Ooh.
Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Yes.
I think okay. We have to. Jay, شو اسمه?
This should be straightforward, to be honest with you.
Fixed space يعني شو اسمه? The number is the same يعني we cannot change it.
All right. We'll see how it looks afterwards and how it feels. So, are you ready for this?
Yes.
All right, let's set out and oh, hi Crewz Nation. Wee. All right. We're gonna take the car. The car's on the lift, and we're gonna start installing. It should take us hopefully an hour tops.
What is this?
That's a very good question. Oh, I think it's lube. Yeah, lube for the car.
Perverts.
No. From his position that we'll be working on, we're trying to lift this extremely low 2019 Camaro, and we are installing one tie rod and 4 spacers. So inshallah it should take us أقل من ساعة بإذن الله. So anyways, let's get working, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Put the spacer, but the, what is it called? Stud, because I'm a stud. Anyways, so we have to actually cut them off, and so he had to make the final decision, and the ultimate decision, and he agreed. So we're gonna start working on here, and if you hear that noise, there's someone hiding and working on their car. What's up, Abu Fahad?
What's up, my man?
How's it going?
It's all good, alhamdulillah.
So the last time we filmed, we were talking about what we installed on your car. Now we can tell everyone. What did we install?
20mm spacers.
So how's the car before and after?
Before the spacers, it was perfect, يعني.
All right. So why did you put the spacers then?
After the spacers, it was like chef's kiss. عرفت?
Fantastic.
يعني cherry on the top.
So would you recommend spacers for?
Of course. First of all, it gives يعني nice stance كذا شكل السيارة يكون حلو.
How about control wise?
That's the second thing يعني you don't feel it much يعني بس إنه يعني you can tell you notice it. By the way, going right or left?
Right. And then a left. So left. That's oh my god. Okay. Oh, all right. So yeah, the control is much better. Thank you for that. So I'm happy that you're excited.
Thank you.
And Katy Perry gives you her thanks.
Where you go, man?
I left. Anyways, I'm glad you're happy with the end result.
بعد ما ركبت السبيسرز.
Yes.
شو اسمه لا إله إلا الله. I didn't align the car.
Yeah. So how was it before and after the alignment?
I felt a bit of vibrations قبل ما أسوي الalignment.
Yes.
يمين يسار.
You mean?
قبل ما أسوي الalignment. So
first of all, sorry guys, we're giving you directions. Anyways,
we're going somewhere.
Yeah, we're going somewhere. So how about after the alignment?
It felt يعني the same بس إنه اللهم إنه الهزة هذه اللي في الدركسون راحت يعني الحمد لله.
Nice. So no more shaking, no more anything. It's stiff.
هو أي شيء تسويه في السسبنشن الأشياء البسيطة هذه أعتقد إنه لازم تسوي بعدها شو اسمه alignment yes. يعني المرة الأولى سويت السبرينجز كانت فيها مشكلة كذا بعد ما سويت الalignment راحت المشكلة يعني.
That's fantastic. So
Go ahead, sorry.
والحين السبيسرز نفس الاشكاليه يعني بعد ما ركبتها I felt a bit of shaking. بعد ما سويت هذا يا صار صلي على النبي. الالاينمنت صار الوضع افضل يعني.
That's great to hear. So overall, you're happy with everything that was
Yes,
done?
alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you, Abu Fahad.
Thank you, قلبي.
It's your boy Mohammed Zawawi, Crewz Nation.
Hey.
Hey, take care and have a great day. Peace.
Peace out.